In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time and expenses in Clio. If you're managing a legal practice or any business where you need to keep a close eye on time and expenses, Clio is a powerful tool that can help simplify this process. Let's dive in and take you step by step through how to do this efficiently. First things first, let's open up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Clio to find their official website. Click on the first link you see or the one with the URL clio.com. This brings you to the home page. Once there, look towards the upper right section of the page where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click it. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Clio dashboard. Here, you should see an option to click on Clio Manage. This is the hub for getting everything in order regarding time and expenses. Now that you're in Clio Manage, look at the header for the play button. This button is your gateway to start tracking time. Alternatively, if you're using the mobile app, the play button functions the same way. The great thing about this feature is its flexibility. You can navigate away from the page or even close the app, and the timer will continue to run in the background. It's perfect for multitasking. When you're ready to stop timing, click the pause or stop timer button. Doing this brings up a time entry modal. It's here where you'll fill in all the necessary details, things like the associated matter and your activity category. You'll also want to add a descriptive note and decide whether it's billable or not. Once you've input all the needed information, click Save Entry. If you prefer to add time manually, it's just as easy. Click on the global Create New button, which looks like a plus icon, and select Time Entry. You'll be brought to the Main Activities tab. There, click New Time Entry, or if you're already in a specific matter's dashboard, just use the Add Time option. Enter all your details, including the date, duration, or amount if it's a fixed-rate entry, and all other pertinent information like associated matter, activity category, and billable status. Don't forget to click Save Entry at the end. Now, let's move on to tracking expenses. Again, you'll start by clicking the global Create New button. This time, you'll select Expense. In this section, select the associated matter. You'll also choose an expense category, enter the date, amount, and any descriptions you think necessary. Mark the expense as billable or non-billable and decide whether you'd like to include a receipt with the bill. Finally, after reviewing everything, click Save Entry. And there you have it. You're all set to efficiently track time and expenses in Clio. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your records accurate and up to date. Happy tracking!